In today's video, I'm going to show you how to top up your Namecheap account with PayPal step by step in a quick and easy way. If you use Namecheap for domains, hosting, or other services, keeping your account balance topped up can make checkout faster and easier whenever you need to renew or buy something. And if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account area. From here, open your account dashboard so you can view your account details and available balance. This is the main place where you manage your Namecheap account and make changes to your funding and payment options. Next, look for your current account balance. This tells you how much money is already available in your Namecheap account. If you want to add more funds, find and click the Top Up button. That will take you to the payment section where you can choose how you want to add money. Now select PayPal as your payment method. This is the option you want if you prefer using your PayPal balance, linked bank account, or card through PayPal. After selecting PayPal, click next to continue to the amount screen. Here, enter the amount you want to add to your Namecheap account. Make sure the amount meets the minimum top-up requirements shown by Namecheap. If you enter too little, the payment won't go through, so it's always a good idea to check the minimum before moving forward. Once the amount looks correct, continue by clicking Checkout with PayPal. At this point, you'll be redirected to PayPal. Log into your PayPal account using your PayPal email and password, then review the payment details carefully. Double-check the amount, make sure the recipient is correct, and confirm everything before completing the transaction. When everything looks good, approve and confirm the payment. After that, PayPal will process the transaction and send you back to Namecheap. Your top-up should appear in your account balance shortly after the payment is completed. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh your dashboard, and that's it. You've now topped up your Namecheap account with PayPal. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it can save you time the next time you need to make a purchase or renew a service. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.